Hello viewers, in this video, I am going to cover inheritance. Let's begin. In the first program, I am going to cover inheritance introduction. I have created superclass shape with constructor to assign value to base and height, and display method to display values of base and height. Created subclass triangle, which inherits superclass shape, with getArea method, which calculates area and return value of area. I have created object for triangle class, which calls constructor of superclass shape, calling display method of superclass shape to display base and height, calling getArea method of subclass triangle to get area. We can use isSubclass method to check whether first class is subclass of second class, and isInstance method to check whether object is instance of class. Object of subclass is instance of superclass and subclass. Object of superclass is instance of superclass, but object of superclass is not instance of subclass. In the next program, I am going to cover constructor overriding. When object for triangle class is created, constructor in subclass triangle overrides constructor defined in superclass shape. However, we can call constructor defined in superclass from subclass using className.constructor. In the next program, I am going to cover method overriding. I have created object for triangle class and calling display method, which invokes display method defined in subclass triangle, which overrides display method defined in superclass shape. In the next program, I am going to cover multi-level inheritance. I have created base class called base1, base2 class, which inherits base1 class, derived 1 class, which inherits base2 class. When I create object for derived 1 class, I can call methods defined in base1 class, method defined in base2 class, and method defined in derived 1 class. In the next program, I am going to cover multiple inheritance. I have created base class called base1, base2 class, derived 1 class, which inherits base1 and base2 class. When I create object for derived 1 class, I can call methods defined in base1 class, method defined in base2 class, and method defined in derived 1 class. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you are preparing for interview, you can buy ebook on Python program interview questions from the Amazon link given in the description below. Please like this video, click on subscribe button and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss any video updates. Thanks for watching this video.